Hello, it's Zoe, and here is your November edition of This Great Thing.
This Great Thing.
RGS The Grange tweeted, Year 5 are enjoying the new Raspberry Pi and Code Club resources Look After Yourself aimed at mindfulness. Some super coded stress balls produced in tonight's Code Club. Well done RGS The Grange, keep 'em coming.
Now we all know collaboration is key for creating greater social impact. But we witnessed it when a code club in India, Code Tigers, collaborated with our friends at Cododojo Malpitas in the US. They have been conducting global closed group sessions for children in the US and in India over the past 6 weeks. We call it PiPal. Thank you Sandeep, Niranjana, Havi for doing this. Now for our next inspirational story, let's head over to Liz in the UK.
Thank you Vasu. Hi everyone. I'm really excited to tell you about our brand new Spotlight on events. In the first session we'll be looking at the new Look After Yourself pathway and all the resources available. We'll hear from the team behind it and how they developed the theme and the projects, and we'll take a closer look at the projects themselves and then escape into a world of creativity as we complete one. There'll also be plenty of time to chat along the way. Full details are on our events page. Can't wait to see you there. Now over to Kat in London.
Becky in Missouri, USA tweeted, Got some physical activity in STEM class yesterday with Scratch and Makey, archery and a running race. Thanks Code Club for the great Scratch tutorials. What a great way to get fit. Thank you Becky for sharing. And now let's head back to Zoe in Cambridge.
We will be back in December and we want to share your highlights from 2020. We know it's been a tough year, but we also know that your club members have achieved some great things. Now share your highlights using the hashtag #MyCoClub or send the team an email. And remember, you can never have too much of a great thing.